morning. Hi, I'm Sky Crystal. I'm culturally confused and creatively liberated, and today I'm going to be repotting some rare plants. I've got 3 plants to repot, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my business, Wolf and Swallow, whilst I do it. So I'm going to be repotting them now, and then I'll sit down and talk about everything. So I repotted my baby Thai constellation back into the same pot because the root system hasn't grown that much. It's pushing out a new leaf at the moment. And look at that half moon leaf over there. I love this plant. Well, this one never gives me any grief apart from this one, which gives me root rot occasionally. So I love this little baby Thai constellation. It gives me hope in Thai constellations because I've already killed one, so I don't really want to do that and try to save it by propagating it. And they started growing and then they died, and I was really sad about it because that was my first ever Thai constellation and I wanted to keep it alive, you know. So these two are giving me hope. But yeah, I repotted it into Soil Ninja mix for Monstera and Philodendron. There will be a video about me talking about different soils and stuff like that in the future once I've learned a little bit more about it. But yeah, anyway, I also repotted my Monstera adansonii variegata, which I thought was reverting because that was the leaf that it pushed out, and then it pushed out these two beautiful leaves with amazing variegation on them. That one's got a half moon leaf and I'm very happy about it, and it's about to push out a 4th leaf, so I'm hoping that grows really well. And then a mint adansonii. Got mealybug. Let me get the neem oil. Here is the mint adansonii monstera that I have. This was a cutting that I took off the mother plant, which the mother plant is not looking as flush as this. I have potted it up into a pot with no drainage holes because of the new substrate. I will be able to water it appropriately and just keep an eye on it. I might order a water meter, test how wet everything is. I think that's going to be one of my next purchases for plant related things. I'll eventually do an update on my blog post on my website about all the things that I use in regards to plant care, but that will probably be around sometime in the near future. I'm not really sure when. Probably when I've acquired more things and have used them for a while, so I can give you an actual review of them. But yeah, I'm going to be upgrading my grow light system in here, adding more grow lights to my Fabricor mini greenhouse so that I can propagate cuttings from rare plants and start selling them again, because I had to when I first started Wolf and Swallow, I started by selling plants and art, and I still want to keep doing that, but I want to focus on rare plants, and I have limited space at the moment, so I need to ensure that the plants I am selling are going to be able to propagate and everything like that. And I've had a lot of successful propagations with more rare plants than I have with other plants, which I find really interesting. So I don't know if I'm trying harder with them or I'm just more scared of losing them. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's for me right now, though, I want to focus my intentions on selling rare plants instead of all the other plants that I was selling in the previous years that I have been running the business. I have been working on a shop update. It's really slow because of the Christmas period and I kind of wanted to take a break. So I'm going to start doing it this January and work on releasing products, more products that I've been working on in due course, like the macrame bottle holder as well as the macrame plant hangers in really lovely colours. I absolutely love them all. I kind of want to keep one of each so I can match it to each outfit, but I'm going to sell these guys. You can't just keep them all. even though it's really fun. That's been the basic idea for Wolf and Swallow. I sell plants and art, and I am going to be also working on creating illustrations to sell in the shop, as well as postcard size illustrations, because I love postcards, so I want to get some postcards printed. But I'm working on the illustrations for those and a few other different bits. So, and I want to work on, I have like a few different goals this year in regards to plants, my business and everything like that. So I'm going to make separate videos in regards to those, talk about them, so then at the end of the year I can then go look back on what I've done and what I've achieved and what I haven't, and then see where I can move from there. But basically this YouTube channel is also a way of keeping track of what I'm doing for me personally, as well as talking about everything that I absolutely love to talk about, and learning as well. So I want to kind of get my brain ticking again after a little while of kind of monotony. So I've worked in an industry that I just kind of have to be repetitive, so I'm really excited to get creative in life again and focus on artwork, even though the repetition is a good thing. It's just I want to get talking again and just enjoying life a little bit more. And there's some things that I want to talk about in regards to mental health and creating space. That is a series that I will be creating this year and releasing, but I'm still working out working everything out with it, so I'm going to just take it easy and slow with the videos and hope that it's cool with you guys that I'm just doing that, as opposed to stressing myself out about getting content out all the time. I just want to make sure that the content I am getting out in the future is helpful and fun, and just kind of just shows a bit more of me and what I'm doing and what I'm about. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for being here. Bye!